Oh, everybody. Welcome back. This video is coming out the same day it was recorded, mainly because I want to. And also I have nothing else to do today. So, we're looking at the newest, it's strange to say, but the newest RWBY Chibi, because usually the show comes on in May throughout the summer all the way until the week before the next RWBY volume, but they decided to upload an episode today, November 27th, and yeah, as you can see right here, here's the thumbnail, and I'm pretty sure there's no preview. If there's a preview, then it's there too, but if there's not, then it's just the thumbnail, and the thumbnail is Ren tied up and Nora drinking coffee. It's titled "A Slip Through Time and Space Part 2. Oh boy. The last time, I think part 1 was when Nora drank caffeine, and when she had caffeine, she went all these multiple dimensions, and then went to that last one with Samantha Ireland, her voice actress. Now I'm eager to see what we're going to see for this one, for part 2. So let's just go ahead and put it on the video, and let's see what's going to happen. Therapy?
Now, when Weiss took away your cookie, how did it make you feel? Hurt? Betrayed? Hungry? Yes. Go on. Guys, I figured it out. Nora, I'm in the middle of healing.
Therapy.
It's not that I shouldn't drink coffee. It's that I haven't been drinking enough at once. I need more.
Oh, what? You should probably...
Is that whole thing filled with coffee? No, silly. It's filled with espresso shots.
Oh, shit. No. Stop her! Oh, what's going on here? Oh no, she's converted to her blind box figure. Oh, claymation.
Where is that pesky light switch? Over here. Hooray.
This is funny. Live action.
Just wanted to make sure our high-quality merchandise was still safe.
I can't comprehend this.
Yep, still great. Alright, time to go.
This is getting eerie. I really can't.
Oh, it's a good thing she didn't see you. That would have been bad. What is this place?
This is the real world.
The real world.
We're living in a simulation. This is life outside the screen.
Oh my, this is a...
The giant ones. They seem to worship us and our lives.
This is a fourth wall thing.
Whoa! They make tapestries dedicated to us. They write songs based on our adventures. They even wear stylish and comfortable clothing in our honor.
Oh, this is like an advertising video.
I'll bet they're affordable as well. Oh, you know it. I don't get it. How did you all get out? How did I get out?
Oh, the Great One saved us all. She showed us the light.
Who showed us the light?
One?
Who's the Great One? This is getting a little spooky.
Is that
the Great One?
Oh my god!
You now have a choice. You pick the blue versus red shirt. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want.
This is the Matrix.
The red versus blue shirt. You stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit boxes the Jeep.
Yep.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think. I'm okay.
Well, alright then.
Is everything okay in here?
This was the most eeriest fourth, like... I can't comprehend what the hell that I just saw right there. It was I really could not comprehend I could not speak or laugh, but it was just all that information was getting into my head. That's what happens. What did I think about it? They still amaze me with the chibi style all the time, but the fact that they went into live action with some claymation, which is like you do a picture, you take one picture, you move your figure. Another picture, move that figure again, another picture. It's just look it up on the internet. But I liked it. It was a little scary though, or eerie, maybe because it was the music. But overall, great episode. And it's technically episode 23, but it's not really a continuation of season 2 in my opinion, because the finale ended in October, and RWBY did say see you next season, but I'll call it an unofficial 23rd episode, even though it's titled like that. Alright, I'm gonna go, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all later.